Hi students, this is Mrs. Jenkins here, and I just want to give you a few tips on the course. Before you submit an assignment, it's important that you review the instructions of the assignment and the rubric. So for example, the first short answer assignment that you submitted in week 1, you'd click on that title and it would bring you to the instructions on how to complete that assignment. So you'd read through that very carefully and then read through the rubric document as well. It's always listed there for you. And if not, I always post them in the course announcements as well. So then you can review the rubric. To be sure that you reach proficient, you would look at the proficient column and the critical elements from each one and read through that and make sure that you include the required information on the rubric. This is exactly how I go through and grade your assignments. So again, be sure you read the instructions of the assignment clearly and the rubric. Next, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about APA formatting and citations. Anytime you submit any written assignment in your course, you need to have a citation for the information that you found. So, for example, you guys are picking one news article and completing a bunch of assignments on that one article. Well, go ahead and write up your citation and your reference list because you're going to need that every time you submit. So a good website to review for this would be to go to Purdue's Online Writing Lab, and it will walk you through how to set up papers for in APA formatting and your citations. So click on in-text citations, the basics, and it'll tell you exactly how to do that. Basically what you do is if you reference that source in your written work, you would include the author and the year that the work was written. If it's a book or something with a lot of pages, you can include the page number, but a lot of times you don't need to. So author and the year that it was written is important in parentheses after the information that you're referencing. Then at the end of your document, you should have a reference list. The reference list is going to have the basic format of author, year of publication, title, location, and publisher. So you should always have that articles reference posted at the end of your written assignment as well as the in-text citations. Then you should also include any other sources that you end up using. This is important so that we avoid plagiarism and so that I can go back and check your work easily as well. So any questions, let me know. Just be sure that you're citing your sources, including your reference list, reviewing the assignment instructions, and rubric before you submit. Thanks, guys.